we passed a resolution. Not only that, we organized an All India seminar in Patna about the reservation. And time and again, we declared that reservation, this is historic necessity for our country for many more decades, as long as there is inequality being experienced by particular section or segment of the society, and it is their right to deny the reservation. It is not that somebody is giving them as a grace, but it is their right to say, and it is their right to declare, deny at any point of time in future. Social harmony and social justice, they are not political strategies. They are articles of faith for us. तो इस संदर्भ में 1969 में गुरुजी गोलवालकर, उन्होंने एक पत्र लिखा था after the conference of Vishwa Hindu Parishad in Udupi. In 1969, a resolution was passed declaring that untouchability has no place in our religion or in society, and it has no sanctity. And this was passed by many prominent Shankaracharyas, Matadishas, etc. Why I am mentioning is this. Society discusses many things, but many a time, who says what is more important. That's when it comes from the people who have occupied religious seats, from where these things have been interpreted rightly or wrongly in the past, who have been playing very important role in the lives of the ordinary men and women and their families. When they say certain things, it will go a long way. And after that, Sri Guruji Golwalkar wrote a letter to an important functionary, and I will just read 2-3 sentences of that important letter. The resolution on untouchability, which is supported and blessed by all our acharyas, dharmacharyas, matadishas, etc., and holy men of all other creeds and all that holds our pious expressions, merely cannot be applied in actual life. Centuries of old prejudices do not disappear only by superior sense and wishful thinking and passing some resolutions. Hard work and right propagation has to be taken from town to town, village to village, house to house, and people have to be educated to accept and practice what has been resolved. The next sentence is more important. It should not be presented as a dispensation to the pressure of modern times, but as an abiding principle and way of life in a humble spirit of atonement for our past mistakes.